Assalamu alaikum. Hello. Now we are going to our practical example on how to create a mission for your game using the mission system. So this is the final result that we have. If I press the I will see my, okay, I loaded the game. So I have the kill dude and I finished the mission with 100%. I can restart the mission by playing this mission. The mission started from this start position and spawned some enemies. So I can go to my enemies and let's kill them. Now we can go to the final position and the mission is finished. So if I went to my kill dude mission now, I finish it with 66% of the final for the full game mission progress. Why is that? Because we have an optional uh, objective that is kill all enemies with headshots. So let's play again. And now let's start by headshotting those people. Now let's go to my finish missions. It's still active because the next task is going to go to this position. So now we finish the mission with 100% after killing all the missions and start on headshotting the enemies. So how we did all of this? So first of all, I created a mission class, named it kill mission. So now this is the go to action, which is requires us to go to this position, and this is the headshot option or action, and it is on optional, and it says kill 3 enemies. So with headshot, meaning you will get more progress if you killed all 3. You will get progress per each kill here. Yeah, it means I can kill 2 and miss the third, and I will get progress for this for the 2 that were killed with headshot. And here we got the kill action, which requires us to kill 3 enemies. So on the action activated, I will spawn my enemies here. I will get my mission also and associate actor with the mission. The association actor, I associate the enemies that I spawned for my mission. Like we talked in the previous video, that we associate actors with missions so we can accept them as a resource for the performing actions. And I used the transform helper to fill my spawn position. So I placed some actors in the world, and I went to my transform helper, went to my kill mission, and I select the spawn transforms, and I fill it with the spawn the send transform variable. Okay, and in my kill mission, I have in the mission tick. In my mission tick, I just debug the objectives that I'm using, and in the mission end, I say, hey, we finished the mission successfully or not. Depending on it's successful or failed, I select a color for my print string. And in my mission details, I just put some related actions. The first one is kill action. The second one is headshot. The third one is go to. These two will actually happen uh, after each other. And let's go to my mission details. And here I'm saying not order task, because if I select order task, then the action I should kill first and then I should kill with headshot. This is not logical. So I need to use the headshot at the same time I'm using the kill action. So to be able to use an order task with the headshot, I need to use the evaluate on mission end. So this will be just in a while. Let's create now a new folder on here. Okay, create a new folder. Call this example mission. Okay. Now I'm going to go to my mission system, create a new mission, call this mission, call this kill tutorial mission. Okay, I'm going to save it. In this mission, I need to have some actions. So the first action in my mission is going to be a required action. Is I'm going to call this um, kill some kill some dudes. How many dudes I want? I want to kill 3 dudes. Okay. Okay. And and what do we need also? I need to let's say I need to create another action, and this one is going to be a blacklisted action. So where is my blacklisted? Let's say I'm going to create a blacklisted action. Call this don't kill target. Let's say you have a target that is surrounded by some bodyguards. You need to kill those dudes or those bodyguards. Let's name this a kill kill bodyguards. Body guards. So I kill the bodyguards, but I don't kill the target. How many targets we have? We have one target, and it has an instance failed. An instance fail tick. So meaning if we kill this target, the mission will fail. So here we can name the action target was failed. So this text will come where if we went to our mission and if we opened the our mission and went to our mission end, we can break not this one but this one, break it, and in the cause action we can actually get class defaults. This will return the text of the action that was finished, that was done, and caused the mission to fail. So this what we have. If the NPC has died, we can say if the target has died, we can get the value from here. So don't kill the target. You have one target, and if it happened, it will say target was killed, and it's an instance fail. Okay. So let's go to our killing tutorial. Or before doing this one, I'm going to go to my core or my blueprints, go to my character logics. Okay, where's our enemies? I need my enemies. Game system. Okay, this is our enemy. So I'm going to, let's say I'm going to duplicate this one because enemies one. I'm going to open the enemies one, and we have this killing logic. Whenever I'm going to just keep this just to not to be have to do it again, but I'm going to explain it here. Whenever the interface we get hit by the player bullet, we're going to check if it's a spear. The sphere is our head. So if we hit the head or not. If we hit the head, then I'm going to perform uh, the kill by headshot, and then I'm going to tell the mission that the NPC has died and do the rest of this logic. So we also have this check here that will check if we are tagged by NPC. Then we can say the NPC was killed. Here I'm going to say my kill mission, and here I'm going to name this don't kill target, and the tag is going to be target. Let's say TAR, tar. Okay. So yeah, and now okay, probably also just get this one, which is the mesh, and set material. Okay, let's say not here, but in the gameplay, because I want to give it like a distinct look. So I'm going to say if we have this target, I'm going to select alias reference. Let's say this material. So if we spawned and we have this star tag, I'm going to get a different material to represent I am the target. And when we die, by health decreasing, I will tell myself, tell the system, hey, we were killed. So here I'm going to use the kill tutorial mission. You can dynamically change this one by using a variable. So the enemy, when it's spawned by any mission, you can set the variable before. So you can, one enemy can play a role in multiple missions. So here we are going to use the kill bodyguard, and here also don't kill enemies tutorial mission. Okay, and here we have the headshot. I'm going to use the kill mission. Even we don't have a headshot action, it won't affect anything. So just keep it here for uh let's say we don't need headshot here, we just care about killing the enemies. So yeah, it's better for us to do it this way. So yep, we are doing this. If we directly hit by an enemy, we're going to say we are killed. So this is better. But if you want to have the action for the headshot, you just keep the headshot here. Okay. Now, and here if we died while we having this tag, we are telling the mission that the target has died and the mission will fail. Okay. Now we are going to our kill mission and add the actions that we are going to use. So I'm going to my mission related action, adding the first one is kill the bodyguard. The second one is going to be let's say don't kill the target. These are not the first and the second, it's just some related actions to the mission. But who's first and who's second is not defined by the order here, but it kind of defined by the order. So we can take the first found required action in this list is going to be our first action to activate, and the second and the third and so on. This is if we have an order task. This order task only affect the required action, not the blacklisted actions or the high score actions. So now we have these two actions here. So let's create some variables. The first one, oh, this is a function, not a variable. So I'm going to create a variable here. This is going to be the body guard locations, and I'm going to make it a transform, and I'm going to make it an array of transforms. Okay, and I'm going to add another one, call this target location, which is going to be a single position or single location. So I'm going to my example mission. In the call bodyguards, I'm going to go here, and I'm going to, on action is activated, I'm going to cast to kill tutorial mission when we activate it, and here I'm going to get body guards location. So I'm going to get a copy or a reference, whatever, and here I'm going to minus the total minus the count. So if the mission is loaded, we need to find the difference in how many enemies we killed, so we don't respawn all the enemies again. If this we pause the game or close the game before we finish the mission, we need to remember how many enemies we have killed, and this is the amount of enemies we have killed, and this is the amount of enemies we should kill. So then I'm going to say for loop, and here not here, this is not going to be here, but it's going to be here. So, and yeah, we are going to do this. We're going to spawn, I'm going to spawn actor from class. You can also define like a enemy class inside of your tutorial mission and get it from here, but I'm going to hard code it here. I'm going to say the enemies 1. This is the spawn transform, and this is going to be our index here. And after this, I'm going to reroute our mission pin, and I'm going to reroute again. And here I'm going to associate actor. Associate actor means this actor is we need to accept its actions. And now the kill bodyguard is finished. So I'm going to don't kill target. And then here we are going to, when the action is activated, we're going to cast to kill mission, kill tutorial mission. And I'm going to get target location. And here we are going to spawn enemy or spawn actor from class. Going to be any enemy is one in this place. And also I'm going to here I'm going to associate this actor to be accepted for our mission. And also I'm going to get tags. We are getting the actor tags, and we are going to add an element, and it's going to be the TAR that we said that is going to differentiate our target uh, from our bodyguards. But if you have a different class for the target, it doesn't matter. It will you don't have to use some tags to differentiate between them, since the class will actually do the differentiation for you. So whenever we activate our don't kill target, we spawn our target. So now let's open our transform helper, and let's select our kill mission. And here we're going to the bodyguard location. So I'm going to my game system. I'm going to select my enemies one, or any actor, doesn't matter. We have three enemies, so I'm going to select all of three enemies, and I'm going to send the transform variable. So we send three enemies locations to our mission. Okay, and I'm going to, let's say, here and here, and I'm going to duplicate this one. So I'm going to select this one, this one, this one. I'm going to our AMS tools transform helper, select the kill mission and bodyguard location, send transform. Now, and we are going to select the third one, going to the target location, and I'm going to send the location. So now, if I went to my example mission, we have the bodyguards, had the locations for our bodyguards. Our target location has the value for the target location. Now everything is okay. We need something to tell the to print on screen what we are having. So I'm going to here. I'm going to get objectives, get objectives list, and I'm going to, for each one of these, I'm going to parse objective, and I'm going to print string. So I'm going to put our return value here. So I'm going to use the current over total, so you can get how many we killed over how many we should kill. We can actually append this one with a bracket, and you can use the objective type here and press space and bracket here. So you can differentiate on the screen that this is a blacklisted action we should not do, and so on. So we are okay here. Now we need to go to our level blueprint. You don't need to load the game, or it doesn't matter. We can actually, we finished the mission last time, so I can go here and go to my full missions list. Oh, okay. Since we are going to use the full mission list to start our mission, we need to uh, build our mission list. But if we don't, we can actually start the mission directly, and it won't affect us. So I'm going to use my tutorial mission and the kill tutorial mission. I'm going to build, save. Okay, I'm going to also here, I forgot to edit something. I'm going to here, I'm going to kill body guards, and the mission description is going to be find target and kill body guards, and maybe and keep health. So we can use it later to add a an option of keep health for better progress, and this mission is main mission. You can say that it will be a side mission. A side mission will not affect the full game progress, but it will give you uh, more. It's not no. It's give you more progress if you finished it, but if you don't, it will not prevent you from completing the game. So you will reach the credit, but you will have a less game completion. So this is the main mission. We have it an order task, meaning we should do this and we should do this in order. This is depending on only affect the required action, as we said. So maybe I'm going later to add like a timer for this mission. So let's leave it like this right now. So now I can select all of these and delete them. We don't need them anymore because the mission will take care of spawning our actions. So since the mission has don't have any custom position, we can actually start here. Go to my all mission list. We have a default mission name. Okay, we need to first of all, because I changed the name after I built the list, I'm going to build the list again. Since we are using something called the mission record. The record is used to avoid having the classes in memory. We are using a simpler struct to hold all the information we need. So now we can see kill bodyguard. This mission kill the bodyguard described as this is the description, and we need to this is the progress, and it's considered not played. The type is main mission, and it has two objectives: required this and blacklist is this. So and we have 0% of the game progress already because we already have a kill dude mission that we finished in the startup of the video. So I'm going to select my kill guard and I'm going to play this mission. You can notice that the mission started while I'm in this place because it doesn't change the location because we so yeah. Now here we have okay, we have something weird happening. This one is spawned in this place for some reason. So maybe I'm wrong with something. Let's kill in the kill mission, and it's an order task. The action is kill. So I'm going to first of all make this to be 0. Okay, compile and save. And let's go to our kill bodyguards. We start from the counts. Total minus count. We have 3, 0, minus 3. We will start. Okay, we need since we don't use a zero based counting in our actions, we need to actually minus 1 here too. Subtract 1 because the action is actually counting from 1. So I'm not counting from 0 for one reason, because if I want the action to be performed one time, I want to write 1 here. I don't want to write 0. So I'm counting from 1 because that is the logical approach for counting actions. Okay, now we are going to play the game. Before we play the game, since we updated the missions, we're going to, if you are going to use the record, you will need to update the list. But if not, if you're directly calling the start mission function, you won't have to do this. So yeah, let's start again. I'm going to stand here, press I, and I'm going to all mission bodyguard, and I'm going to do this play mission. So the mission has started and it spawned our enemies. We have this and the bodyguard. Okay, I think something is weird. The bodyguard does not get activated. For some reason, it did not get activated. So I think there is I have a problem with my order policy. It does not activate the blacklist in action. Maybe we need to fix this. So I'm going to fix it. This is good. This is good. Okay, I'm going to rebuild the mission list again. Build the mission list and let's start again. I'm going to stand here, Press I, go to all missions, and I'm going to play this mission. So we spawn the enemy. Yeah, we got a problem with the activation. It's easy to solve. I'm going to now if I kill the target, the mission has been failed. If I went here, I can find the kill dude mission is succeeded, but the kill bodyguard, the progress is here considered to be failed because we killed the target. So as if I select it and play this mission again, the mission okay. Now we see that we have doubled the targets. So I'm going to our mission, and when the action is actually it's better to have like when the kill guards. Okay, we need to go to our mission. Going to create, call this enemies. It's going to be an actor reference, get the object. There's going to be a list of actors. And when the mission is finished, I'm going to do this for each loop whenever the mission is finished. And I'm going to destroy actor. Just destroy the actor. So whenever the mission is finished, we're destroying the actor and clean our tracks. So, and I think now we are ready. So let's play the game and let's start the mission from our killed mission. Play this mission. Now we got 3 enemies. If I kill this one is a headshot, the mission has failed. And I can go to here and see it's failed again. But if I play this mission, you can see, okay, oh, we need to do something else. We need to go to our kill bodyguards. And whenever we spawn someone, we need to also here, I'm going to add or not add, get any enemies. And we are going to add this actor to the list. It's weird that the mission ended and the distractor did not say that we have null value. But let's print string here and let's say failed or succeeded. I'm going to make it red just to be obvious. So let's also go to our project settings, going to AMS, and I'm going to do not allow debug stream. I don't need it. So let's play it again. So let's press I, go to my finish missions, and let's play this mission. So we have this. I'm going to do this. The mission has failed, and I'm going to the mission is failed. So I'm going to play this mission now. I have also only 3. You can kill the bodyguard, and kill the bodyguard. The mission has succeeded. If I went here, it's going to be 100% succeeded. This is and we have 100% of the game progress because we have 2 missions that we should finish, and we have 2 missions that we are already finished. So let's start by doing something else. Okay, we have here, okay, this is the array, okay, the distractor. So this one is actually called the mission end is called twice. I noticed something like this. So let's try again. Let's go to this mission and play the mission. Let's see what we have. So now we have the mission. So it's called 3 times. Why it's called? Oh, it's called 3 times because we are setting it in a loop. Yeah, it's not a problem. So yeah. So let's go to the player. Where is the player? In the character log. This is our player. Is this our player? Are we sure about that? Okay, if we press H, we can save the game. Okay, that's good. So I'm going to press this, go to my finish mission. I'm going to play this mission. So I can kill this one. So we lost some enemies. So I press H, the game has saved. If I press close, if I close the game now, I will do this. Now let's go to make sure we have the load function is connected. Okay, it's connected. So when I play the game, I will start from the place that I was, and the actor that we killed is dead. And we have the other 2 enemies there. I can kill this one, and the mission has succeeded. So I can go to my field mission and I will see that it's 100% and everything is okay. Yeah, we have this error is about to enemy is not valid. It's pending kill. Yeah, this is because the array has three references, but we have someone who's not uh, spawned. Yeah, it's not a big deal. You can always do a validation check, and everything will work fine. So this is one, or this is like dipping the toes in this system. It has a lot of functionalities to help you make your missions or make your quest. You can read the documentation and you can read these functions. I'm pretty sure it's going to help you a lot, and hopefully it will help you a lot. So tell me what you think. And it's still under development. We have, as you noticed, that we have many features that are missing, or not many, but yeah, I think like a couple of features that if they were added, it will make it so much better. And you are also welcome to suggest some features to add, and hopefully it will make developing games easier for you.